How to change Netflix subscription plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change Netflix subscription plan but don't know how to navigate to the process? I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Open up your Netflix app, and then you need to go to your profile in the bottom right corner and then go to the three lines in the top right. Now go to account. Now here you cannot directly change the Netflix subscription plan on the app, but what you can do is you can go to the netflix.com's website and then hit continue, and then it will open up on your default browser. Tap on manage account, then you will need to log into your Netflix account in your website, in the browser, and then you can start with the instructions and then change your Netflix subscription plan. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.